everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today we are gonna teach you the song called Candy. Candy by Doja Cat or Doja Cat. Okay, let's start. Ready? Alright everybody, let's start. So we're gonna need to move a little bit to your right because we're gonna walk to your left. So it goes like this. Chest. 1, 2, 3. So contract. 3 and 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then punch 5, 6. This is 7. Straight up on 8. Okay, you just flip your hair and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7 and yeah. E some say lo cha ta. Next, from here you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Down on 5, 6 and hips 7 and 8. So you're not totally going up, just about 7 and 8. Okay? So 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Let's combine first and second. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Next. If out of balance is fine. 7, 8, go up on 1, 2, 3, 4. What's this? 5, 6, 7. Push on 8. Roger that. One more time. From down. This is 7 and 8. Go up. 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push on 8. Copy? Next. Go to your right. 1, 2, hit 4. So this is 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Up 5, down on 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's longer. Actually, 7, 8. One more time. So 6, 7, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then you're gonna go next up. Go 1, 2, go up on 3, up on 4, 5, 6, open on 7, push on 8. One more time. Start from here. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's start from the beginning first. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chest. 8. Here we go. 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Next. So next from here, you're gonna step left. Go 1, 2, overhead. 3, down on 4. Wrong count. So 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross 7, 8. Again, remember the count? From here, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close on 8. Let's continue. Go up. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's continue this. Okay, then 1, 2 and 3, 4, back, 5, 6, down, 7, and in. Yes, that's all the choreography. Before we go to the beginning, let's do it from here. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip 6, 7, 8. 1, cha cha up, back, down. Yes. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. Slowly, yeah. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hip 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chest and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, up. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 4, 7, 8. 1, cha cha up. Oh, and down. Yes! Good job! Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to
share,
subscribe, like, yes, whatever. See you next time. Bye bye.